Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and most popular products on the market. In today's episode, we have a fantastic product to talk about: the Meliya Bands compatible with Garmin Forerunner 245/645 band, Forerunner 55/158 band. Let's start by discussing the key features of these replacement bands. These bands are specifically designed for various Garmin smartwatches, including the Forerunner 245, 645, 55, and 158, among others. They are made of high-quality silicone material that's soft, comfortable, waterproof, and durable, ensuring a pleasant wearing experience. These bands come with a stainless steel tang buckle clasp for secure fastening. The package includes a 20mm silicone watch band in a stylish gray-blue-black color. They're compatible with a range of Garmin watches, so make sure to check your watch model before purchasing. One of the standout features of these bands is their comfort. The silicone material feels gentle on your wrist, making it ideal for long workouts or everyday wear. With a variety of colors to choose from, you can personalize your Garmin smartwatch to match your style. The design also ensures a secure fit, so you don't have to worry about your watch coming loose during physical activities. If you're looking for an affordable yet stylish way to upgrade your Garmin smartwatch, these bands are an excellent choice. Installing these bands is a breeze. You can easily replace your old band with the Meliya Band in a matter of minutes. The quick release mechanism allows for hassle-free attachment and removal. Now, let's take a look at what customers have to say about these bands. Overall, they have received positive reviews, with an average rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. Customers appreciate the comfortable fit and stylish design. Some users have mentioned that these bands are a great alternative to the standard bands that come with Garmin watches. There are also comments about the generous length of the band, making it suitable for a variety of wrist sizes. In conclusion, the Meliya Bands compatible with Garmin Forerunner 245/645 band, Forerunner 55/158 band offer a great combination of comfort, style, and affordability. Whether you're using your Garmin smartwatch for fitness or everyday use, these bands are a fantastic accessory to consider. If you want to give your Garmin watch a fresh look and feel, head over to the Amazon link in the description to make your purchase. That wraps up our review of the Meliya Bands. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next episode.